from the world's capital markets. Here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by CMS Prime.
Good morning and thank you for joining us. Let's start today's technical analysis with the euro-dollar pair and the recent events stirring the markets. Emily?
The euro-dollar pair rose 0.6% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1% during the session. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.2% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The pound rose 0.4% against the dollar in the last trading session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Aussie-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.4% during the session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, today's major financial news.
Oil settled higher as ongoing tensions in the Middle East lent support to prices, but news that interest rate cuts could start as late as December capped gains, following the Federal Reserve's statement concluding its two-day meeting. The Federal Reserve held interest rates steady and pushed out the start of rate cuts to perhaps as late as December, with officials projecting only a single quarter percentage point reduction for the year, amid rising estimates for what it will take to keep inflation in check. Terraformer Labs has agreed to pay the United States Securities and Exchange Commission roughly $4.47 billion as part of its settlement with the securities regulator. The total remedies include disgorgement fines of roughly $3.6 billion, a civil penalty of $420 million, and prejudgment interest of nearly $467 million.
Thank you for your insightful ideas. And now, let's review today's major economic events.
The US initial jobless claims will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US Producer Price Index at 12:30 GMT, the Eurozone's industrial production at 9 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting will be released at 7 GMT, Australia's employment change at 1:30 GMT, Australia's unemployment rate at 1:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.